What's up, you dirty little hoggers? We're back out here on the marsh. I got a bunch of bait today, so we're gonna try and invade some storms that are in the background and try and catch a big fish. Last time I was here, I hooked up on a big one, which it might be part 2, I don't know. I didn't catch anything though, so this time we're gonna catch one. We are gonna catch one. Let's go. It's unfishable. Unfishable. What the f is this? Boom. I lied. It's not unfishable. Little guy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, 1 pounder. Let's go! Yeah! Woo! Man, you know it's sad when I'm happy on a 1 pounder. Thanks, buddy. All right, that's gotta be a fish. Oh yeah, there's a fish. What do we got? Got a something solid. Oh yeah, we got a nice fish. Woo! That's what I like to see. Might be a new Florida PB. Oh yeah. She's fighting. She's no way. What the f? What the f? This is a cruel joke. What the f? I hate circle hooks. You are supposed to do your job. Oh my God. All right. Come on now. Let's do something this time. Eat it. Boom. Small. It's a gar. You've got to be kidding me. You have just got to be kidding me. This is the last thing I wanted. A golly Florida gar. Although it's a new species I've never caught. Nice. That's exactly what I wanted. You chill before I murder you. I guess that's cool. You are pretty. Caught her on a monster shiner. I don't know how you're fitting that in your mouth there, bud, but thanks. Thanks, man. All right. Goodbye. And the storm is rolling in. Let's see. Let's check the old weather app and see. That's looking stormy there, and I see rain. Well, got a nice little storm cell behind us. We're gonna make our way towards the car. I want to be close at least. So we're still gonna hit some fish. I got like four left, so stay tuned. Fingers crossed I can not choke on a monster again. But you guys probably enjoyed that. Maybe I'll get redemption. Same spot where I lost the big one. See if it's the big one again. Let him eat it, and boom. Missed him. I suck. My guess is it was a gar. That's a nice chunk right there. yeah, that's a bite. Gotta be. Oh God. Oh, holy sh! This is a toad. Toad. Freaking toad. I need a net. Oh my God. Woo! Not a toad, but a good fish. Woo, baby! Come here. Come here. Come on. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Yes, sir. Oh yeah, that's a nice 4-pounder. Woo! Bang! Oh, that's what I like to see. Yeah, look at the blood pumping. Golly! I want to weigh this guy. We got a, oh yeah, 4.375. Not bad. Woo! Thank you, sir. That's what we came for. That is what we came for. A little storm in the background. Well, there she is. Took some photos. Thanks, big girl. There she goes. Swimming off. Yes, sir. Let's go. Ha! Look, a little rainbow. You can barely see it, but good way to end the day. Because that does not look fun. So, thanks for watching. I ended up doing all right. I mean, sucks I missed that big one. Happy I got a big one though. Caught my first ever gar, so that's kind of cool too. But you know, would have been a really great day if I would have caught that first big one. I want to say it was bigger. It felt like it fought harder than that 4-pounder. I guess it was a 6, 7. I don't know. We'll be back though. There's big ones here. Caught that big one, or caught that 4, missed that big one, and then the last time I was here with bait, missed another big one. So I'm due. Well, now I don't know if I'm due since I just caught that one, but we'll get one. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you up back on the salt, baby. It's more fun on the salt. Well, I don't know. I got pretty hyped with that largie, but yeah. Catch you in the next.